Hello everybody, welcome to the second vlog for this course. Well, it's really under the welcome section for our welcome to the course. In the second video, we're going to be talking about course materials. Materials, what I mean by that are calculator use, is it required, is it recommended? Some calculators I say you can't use at all. And we'll talk about the book. Will it be a hard copy? Or will it be electronic? It'll be up to you, really. And then we're going to talk about what you need for the math course. Whether it's an online course or not, you have to have paper and pencil. Of course, you need a good internet connection. And then you need a webcam, or you can use your phone camera to make videos, which you'll be making throughout the course, recording yourself, discussing problems or whatever, and posting them for discussion with our students. Right now we're going to talk about the syllabus. This is our home page for the course, as you can see right here. And the section in blue is the news section. Things that we'll talk about, I'll announce different things often. Not every day, but often. And this section is the calendar section. This will be populated with many due dates. And with the due dates, you'll have either email or electronic alerts telling you when things are due, and it'll be listed right here too. The upcoming events section, like the first, we see here August 22nd, it's the first day of class. I'm sure we're all excited about going back to school. And then below that is August 25th. I already have a homework ready and assigned for you. I think I'm going to explain that in the third video, which will talk about activities. What do you do? How does it work? Homeworks and whatever. You get the idea. Here's what we have. The table of contents means the table of contents, the content for our course. The first section is the syllabus. You may be used to receiving a paper syllabus in class where the teacher would talk about the syllabus when they hand them out, but now we have it online. That means that I separated the sections out and put them within links in the syllabus section. This means that myself as a student, I changed my role in my courses for this video. I have already touched, or I have looked at 7 out of 7 topics. I read them all, I've clicked on all of them. You may see yours as 0 out of 7, 0%, but once you access each section, it'll give you credit for it. This is the course information. This course, Applications of Algebra, 210.02, the prerequisite is Foundations of Algebra, NMTH 180. If you've been here as a student, you need to have passed that course first. Unless you were directly placed, you were placed into this course by our mathematics assessment test. But if you took Foundations of Algebra, you had to have earned a C- or better. Really, your time commitment for this course is quite a bit. We would meet normally 4 times a week for 4 hours, and then you should probably spend roughly 9 hours per week on homework, on studying, on everything else. So in total, we're talking about 13 hours a week. So if you total that out for 16 weeks, it's a lot of weeks, it's a lot of hours. So you have a lot of work to do. An online course isn't here, so it's no big deal. I can do what I want. It's just there. Now this is a lot of work. Instead of going to class, you're going to watch videos on math stuff that I produced and doing homework. Now, how's our course week go? Monday through Sunday at midnight. That meaning the due dates, the Dropbox, whatever we have, you'll follow the time on the internet there. The homework is done at 11:59 p.m. and you have to submit it by then. If you don't, it'll be late. Like say we had a homework assignment due September 20th, Tuesday maybe, whatever it is. At 11:59 p.m., the homework has to be finished. Once it becomes midnight and a new day, it's late. And that's how quizzes and homework will work in this course. You will need to watch the math videos. You'll be posting your own videos and watching other students' posted videos and making comments. You will have quizzes that will happen within my math lab, MML. You have to do the homework, you know. This is a new online math homework, and no, we still have homework to do. We don't. It's not just being on the computer. You have to do things physically, paper and pencil, figure it out, and then answer it online. If you feel like I'm confused, I'm getting behind, I've watched the videos, I've done the homework, and I'm lost, you need to get tutoring. I'm available for video tutoring one-on-one, or we're going to have group tutoring also, and we'll discuss that later as the course starts. You can send me an email. I've had students take pictures with their phone of their homework, send me the picture, I work on it, and I send it back as a picture. There are many options we have. And if you're here on campus, you can go to the NLC, the NTID Learning Center. There are tutors there to work with you. And I will have office hours. I have not posted them. I want to kind of get the feel for when you're available and when we can set the best time for the most people. And then I guarantee to be there online, ready and waiting, in a drop-in situation without appointment needed. But at other times, you can make appointments. Please do. We'll make an agreement on when we'll be available, and we will connect through video. As I said before, the materials. All right. This course does require a textbook. This is the name of the textbook. It's the 6th edition. If you look at Barnes & Noble, at RIT, online, use our course number, the book will come up. You don't have to purchase the hardcover book or the hard copy book. The electronic copy is good enough. You have to have access to the electronic homework, which is called My Math Lab, MML. Through the course homepage for my courses, there's a Pearson link that I'll show you. You click that and sign up. You have to have access to that. Now there's a code, or there's a instruction instructions on how to sign up for my math lab, and it's right here on this link. On your home page, you can click this and it'll tell you how to sign in to Pearson. Pearson is the publisher who owns the MML and owns the book. You'll see here it says Brightspace. What that is the My Courses. My Courses is a type of, is under Brightspace. So when you see Brightspace, think My Courses. Now back to the home page. This is the Pearson link. Click on this link or this widget and you'll have access to your homework. You use everything there, okay? Now the access code. There are two ways. How do you receive this? You may actually purchase it online, or some of you through financial aid have to use Barnes & Noble. I recommend going to the store or visiting the store online and to see how to purchase that. If you go there physically, you'll get a cardboard access code thing, and you'll tear off the covering, and you'll use the access code to sign in. Once you complete the sign in to Pearson, you don't have to sign in two places. Like this is my Pearson link. It knows that I'm a student. And now I can actually click on the My Math Lab link and see the assignments. We see one right here that's due. August 25th. The first week of classes, you have a homework assignment ready for you. I'm sure we're all excited about that. This PDF explains everything you need to know on how to sign up. Read it carefully. If you have questions, you can contact me, or you can use the live chat function in Pearson. It's an IM chat. I've used it. It works well. And back to the home page again. Always going back to content. This is where our syllabus lives. That's the book discussion. Now the calculator. It's an interesting thing. I don't ever really require a calculator, and I don't allow graphing calculators. If you want to use a calculator, you can. You want to buy one. The TI-30 Multi-View is recommended. It's a good calculator. It costs $15 or so. There are plenty of functions there, plenty for what you need. If you want to know what it looks like, I have this link right here. Click this link, and it brings you the Texas Instruments page for this calculator. This is perfectly good enough. This is allowed on tests. Now, if you have a TI-84 or a TI-83 or other graphing calculators, they're not allowed on test days. It's a rule we have, and it's the same rule that RIT has as well. You can use TI-30s in our math classes, but I think at RIT there are no calculators allowed on tests. Now, when you're home, you can use a calculator, or if you don't want to purchase one for home use, you can use Desmos.com. It's an online graphing calculator. It's fine. You can't use it in the test, obviously. But you can multiply things, you can do fractions, you can do many things. It's free. That's what I like about it. I have an account that was free to create. You can create your own account. You don't have to. You can just use it without an account. If you want to know what it looks like, we'll click the link. And here it is. And that's how it looks. Okay, now, this is what you need for the course. Graph paper and your own notebook. Either a spiral notebook or a loose leaf, but a place you keep all your notes in one place. You're going to write your own notes from the vlogs. I'm not going to post PDF hard copies. You're going to accept responsibility to write your own notes. You can watch the video, push pause, write the notes, pause it again. I believe if you write, the more you write, the more you'll remember. It's not like in class where you can't keep, it's hard to keep up watching and writing notes, but in this case, you have control over your time. So I recommend writing your own notes in your own notebook for math. That's something that we can discuss as the course goes on. After a few weeks, if it's not working for everybody, we can talk about it. But I really want us to go through and write your own notes from the vlogs. Write everything. Copy the graph down, copy the problems down, copy the notes down. Everything you have. The more you write, the more you'll learn. The more you'll remember. Alright? So, this vlog is over. I feel like it went by fast. And the third vlog will be coming up, and we're going to discuss homework and the vlogs themselves and the activities of the course. Things you have to do. It'll be next. Thanks for listening. See you next vlog.